Thanks a lot. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, students. Welcome to this session. So, first of all, I would like to ask you, like, is there any doubt regarding the previous sessions? Because I got so many queries yesterday. Any doubt regarding the previous sessions? Any explanation you want regarding some topics which we have already covered in Tally? Okay. So today we are going to start again the new feature in Tally. That is first of all, we will learn. Okay, yesterday one topic remaining. Yesterday topic was that is job work in order and job work out in order, right? Anybody tried it? Anybody tried it? Explain once again. Okay. Okay, fine. So let me share the screen first. Okay. And then just I'm going to select the company which I created yesterday. Okay, so basically we are going to start from the very scratch, right? I should open that assignment. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, so let me explain once again. Today again we are going to learn that is a job work in order. Basically, what is it? As like so many students yesterday told me, what is a job work? Whenever we worked for the like outsourcing or we have worked for somebody else, then this is known as a job. For example, you are getting the jobs, right? So you are working for your employer. So that is your job, right? So same thing, we are doing the job work. And in manufacturing industries, these are the very common concept, job work. Okay, so sometimes job work in and sometimes job work out. That's mean what? Suppose we are in computer system business or like yesterday example. Okay, let me clear that example. So we are in electronic cooker business. Okay, but basically to make the electronic cooker or to build the electronic cooker, the raw materials are aluminum supplies, bakelite handle knob, rubber gaskets, and micro switch. These are the raw material for making the electronic cooker. And we are in job work. Okay, we are in business of the job work. We don't have our own raw material. Basically, we are getting the raw material from the another industries and we are working. We will manufacture the electronic cooker by consuming these raw materials, and we have to again send after the like manufacturing electronic cooker, we have to send electronic cooker to the industry from which we are getting the job work. For that, definitely we will charge some service charge, maybe the manufacturing charge, maybe the assembling charge or whatever. Okay, so this is the one of the example of job work in. Okay, so we are going to start practically in Tally. How can we process same thing in Tally? So first of all, I'm going to create a new company today. Sunshine Industries. Sunshine Industries, right? And Madhya Pradesh. Control A. Just a minute. I should like maximize the screen first. right? After creating the company, we are getting the company features. So just set it as that is enable job order processing and enable cost tracking, control it. And I told you if the company is like previous company is already has some kind of features, then automatically tally set for the new company. So let me shut the previous company open. Company, then shut company. Now this is my fresh company. Okay. So first of all, again, come to this point, this example. In this example, we are in job work. Okay. And we used to take for the order for the job working. And we are in manufacturing of electronic cooker. But raw material is not our raw material we are getting from the some another industry. Okay. So to generate the electronic cooker, these are the raw materials like aluminum supplies, bucket tile handle knob, rubber gaskets, and macro switch. I'm sure yesterday I already gave you the example of manufacturing. So BOM was clear, right? Yesterday the BOM was clear. Now today again I'm going to create the these kind of items and then electronic cookers. For electronic cookers, we need this kind of material. And then for that, we will switch enable the BOM. So first create stock items. Stock item, the first stock item I should create that is aluminium supplies. Aluminium supplies. Then the unit of measurement for aluminium supplies is kgs. So I should create a one unit that is kilogram. If any confusion, then please write down, right? We should disable the GST because we are not learning the taxation. Then control A. Enter. kgs, enter. Now BOM. Should I set the BOM for aluminum supplies? No, because aluminum supplies is a raw material. So I should press control A. The next item is bucket light handle knob. Bucket light handle knob. And for this, the unit of measurement is numbers. So I should create again a NOS and the for name is numbers. Control A, then control A. Now the next is rubber gasket. Rubber gaskets, again numbers. Control A. And then macro switch. Macro switch. Number. All the raw materials I created. Now one finished good is there, that is electronic cooker. So I should create an electronic cooker, and for that I should mention the bill of material. Electronic cooker, then numbers, and here is an option of bill of material. If you are not getting this option, then press F12, then just enable both the configuration and then set from here, that is set component list. Control A. Anybody have some doubt? Anybody? Is it clear? My screen is properly visible. Okay, I'm waiting. The screen is not visible. How it is possible? My screen is shared. Please confirm everybody, my screen is visible or not. Devrata sir? Tele screen. Ma'am, please ask Devnath sir to give access for you for sharing the screen. But my screen is shared. Please check. It is shared. I can check my screen is visible. Please make sure my screen is visible or not. Screen is not visible. Devata sir. Sir. Just a minute. Huh? Wait a minute, please, students. Sir. Sir, good afternoon. Sir, please check my screen is not visible.
Can you hear us? Are we audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes,
Ask. See, they are continuously querying like my screen is not visible. Is it visible? Hello?
Ma'am, I guess it is visible now. There is no problem.
Okay. Students, please confirm. Okay, make sure now it is visible. Please check. Prem. Okay, fine, fine. Thank you. Okay, fine. So let me clear once again. I created the raw material and I have the raw material for manufacturing the electronic cookers. They are, just check my stock items, aluminum supplies, bakelite handle knob, micro switch, rubber gasket. Okay, these are the raw material. And I want to create a finished goods again once. So stock item, that is electronic cooker. Okay, numbers. Here you should enable the bill of material. Okay, so just enable the bill of material. After enabling the bill of material, you have to assign a one name to this process, that is a manufacturing process. Manufacturing process. Enter. Now unit of manufacturing is 1. Unit of manufacturing is 1. And in case you are also having the scrap, then please press F12. There is an option of define type of component for BOM. You should set yes. Then aluminum supplies. This is our component in 1 quantity. Then again, bakelite handle knob component 1 quantity. Macro switch component 1 quantity. And rubber gasket component 1 quantity. If you are having some like some kind of scrap also, then you can create the scrap also. And in that case, you have to select, instead of a component, you have to select scrap. Okay. But I'm not going to select the scrap. I'm only going to select the component. These are my basic components. Now I'm pressing Control A. I'm pressing Control A, Control A, right? And then again press Control A. Now yesterday I also told you just create 2 godowns. One is for raw material and second one is for finished goods. So I'm going to create the godowns also, create. Then go down, create no raw material. And in that case, your raw material, and if you are not getting used for option, then again press F12. In the F12, there is an option of enable third party stock details. Now here our stock with third party, no. third party stock with us, then set it yes. Control A, then finish goods. Enter, enter. Now in this case, don't set yes because finished goods definitely with us. It is not a third party stock. After like material out, then it will goes out. Okay. So control A, then escape, escape, then vouchers. Now, if you are working on the job basis, then you should alter the vouchers, alter voucher type, material in. You should alter these vouchers, that is material in. Here the option is given, that is used for job work, set it yes. Yesterday, the problem was this. I didn't enter this option, so that's why it was like creating the problem. But today I got after like completing the class, I got the idea like why the problem was there. Now this, just set yes, use for job work and use for job work in. Control A. Same thing is for material out. Otherwise, if you are not setting it yes now, then it will not provide you the order number because you are getting the job work order in, job work order out. Okay, so set it yes. And again set it yes. Control A. Escape, escape. Now pass. First voucher, what should I pass the first voucher? Which voucher should be passed first? Any idea? So many students are there. So please, any idea? Which voucher we should pass first if I am working on the job basis? If I am working on the job basis, so which voucher should I pass? Because yesterday I already given the explanation. Answer me, just I am waiting. Which voucher I should pass first? Like I am getting the answers. Okay. The first voucher should be job work order in. Okay, job work order in. I'm not purchasing the raw material. I am getting the raw material from some another industry for purpose of job because I'm working on the service basis. I'm charging on the service basis. So from here, F10 voucher, you should enable the job work in order. Then party name, you should create the party name, Sun, Shine, Traders. Okay. Now, first of all, a very big question is in which group it should be. Whether it should be sundry creditor, whether it should be sundry debtor. If you are working on the service basis and you will be charged service charge to the Sunshine Trader, then it should be under sundry debtor. Because you are working for Sunshine Trader, so in that case you will be charged. Definitely you will be generate one invoice for the service charge. In that case, Sunshine Traders will be your sundry debtor. Is it clear? Is it clear? Control A. Right. Now dispatch through. I'll dispatch through transport. Enter. Destination is this. Carrier name or agent, whatever. Madhur. Number. Then date. Same date I am taking. Motor vehicle number. If you don't want to mention these details, then just ignore it. But the suggestion is you should mention this detail. Duration of process is 1 day. And then nature of processing, manufacturing the electronic cooker. Enter, 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 enter. Now order number is job work order 101. Enter. For which you are getting the order? Electronic cooker. Then you should enable the track components. Okay. Enter. And enter the go down is raw material. Yes, raw material. No, finished goods, because the electronic cooker will be in a finished goods. And 20. Presently, it is giving me the negative stock, definitely. Then fill component using manufacturing process. By default, it is filling everything. Then it will be in a raw material. There is no need to mention the rate, but if you wish, then you can mention the rate. Then pending to receive, then raw material. Again, raw material, because when we receive the material, then we will store in the our raw material go down. Then raw material. Again, that's it. Now finished goods. For 20 quantity, we are getting the order. How much charge for per electronic cooker? How much charge will be applicable for per electronic cooker? There should be 1200 rupees. Then 24,000 rupees you will be charged to make the electronic cooker. Enter, enter, enter. Now next voucher will be, what will be the next voucher? What will be the next voucher? Yeah, I passed the job order. Now what will be the next voucher? What will be the next voucher? Okay. Next voucher, before like making the electronic cooker, we need a stock, we need raw material. So next voucher should be material in. You should pass the material in. Okay, sunshine traders. Now, the moment you select the sunshine traders, you are having the job work order. You are having the job work order 101. Enter, enter. See, it is giving you component receipt order. Enter, enter, enter. Now press Control A, Control A. Now see, you are receiving the all the materials. Okay, because you already mentioned the components for electronic cooker. So you are receiving all the components according to the order. You are getting, you are also, you all already got the order to make the 20 electronics cooker. So that's why you are getting electronic aluminum supplies according to the 20 cooker, packet light handle knob according to the 20 cooker. Now, when material in, where you should store? Raw material. Okay, then enter. Now you finish the. Is it clear? Till material in, it is clear. I can check my stock summary. Stock summary. See, aluminum supplies I am having. Bakelite handle knob I am having. Electronic cookers in the finished goods. Macro switch and then rubber gasket. Okay, because this is stock with third party. I'm not having the stock because our stock with a third party. Then escape. Now you want to manufacture the electronic cooker. Before charging, you should, because see, for again you have to, because you already got the job order for the electronic cooker, then you have to generate manufacture for electronic cooker, and then you have to dispatch the electronic cooker to the sunshine trader. So for that, first you have to create a voucher type, that is manufacturing general. Should be under stock general. Then use as manufacturing general, yes. Control A. Escape. Now we want to generate the electronic cookers, manufacture the electronic cookers. So by pressing Alt F7, manufacturing general. Which cooker? How many cookers you want? Go down should be the finished goods because it will be stored in our finished goods go down and the quantity is 20. See? Should be raw material. Because see, it is not our stock. So that's why it is giving me the negative stock warning. But no issue because we know our stock with a third party. Then control. Now you can check electronic cooker. Is it in your finished goods go down? See? But rest are not. Why? Because they are the third party stock. That is not our stock. Fine. Is it clear? Anybody have some doubt? If you are doing simultaneously, then please tell me. Okay. Now, 2 vouchers I passed. One is 3 vouchers. One is for job work order. Second is for to receive the material. For that, we pass the material in. And third is we all manufacture the twin electronic cooker. Now, the fourth step is you should material out. Afterward, you can charge the service charge from your Sunshine Trader. So first you have to again click on the material out. Sunshine Traders. In the order is job work order 101. Then end of list, Control A. Then Control A. Now from finished goods, we will be dispatched the electronic cooker. Enter, 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 enter. Now our charges are 24,000. So we have to generate a bill for the 24,000 because that is our service charge. So for the service charge receivable, we have to pass the sales entry. We have to pass the sales entry and from here change mode, you have to pass in the accounting invoice because no sales ledger will be credited. Now Sunshine Traders, enter, Control A. Now which not applicable, cost centers is not. Now which ledger should be credited? Alt C, manufacturing. Alt C, manufacturing charges. It should be under direct expenses or direct income. Control A. Then just press F12. The allocated bill. Show more configuration. Then again press Control A. Control A. Control A. And 24. Not applicable. It should be disabled now. Cost centers are already enabled, so I should disable it. First, by pressing the F11, this cost center should be disabled. Why? Because in the previous company it was enabled, so that's why it is automatically setting the my opened company. Again, F Sunshine Traders. Charging the manufacturing charges, that is 24,000. New reference. Is it clear? Now it comes under P&L. The charges comes under P&L. manufacturing charges. It is our direct income. It is our direct income. Is it clear? It is a live exchanges. Okay. I generated electronic cookers 20. The material out. I already send the sunshine coolers 20. Then 20 inward and 20 outward. But it is again showing the manufacturing. Okay, fine. Twenty inwards, but it is showing me the 20 inwards. Finished goods. Oh, destination go down. See, I don't know the destination go down na? Because destination go down is of another industry. So I should set the not applicable. Then components of applicable go down is from finished goods. Now it is completed. 2020. Now I don't have any stock. Okay. And then I should check the 24,000 sales. Na? Control A, Control A. There should be case reference, not reference, because we already created a one reference at the time of job work order. So it should be against reference. Against reference. Fine. Now please tell me. Is it clear? So that I can move ahead, huh? No, ma'am, no doubt, ma'am. Till when will, okay. Don't talk about the assignment just now, right? Calculator shortcut to close. Yes, you will get this video on YouTube now. But see, in on your channel now, but you should ask to the sir because I'm not sure. Okay. So any like doubt regarding that? Or should I like again explain a one more material out and job work out with the example? Is it clear? No, it's not necessary, Ishwarya. It depends upon the company policy. What is the credit period? It is not necessary. Depend upon once again. Okay. Shortcut for calculator is Control N. So many times I answered your question. Fine. Now, see, again, I'm taking a one more example, but this time I'm taking the example of job work out order because we completed the job work in order. Now, I used to purchase the raw material for computer, but for computer assembling, I used to give the job work to the another industry. Okay, so first I'm going to create the some items, stock items, RAM. It is number, Control A. Then hard disk is number, Control A. Then motherboard, number, Control A. Then SMPS, that is switch mode power supply, number, Control A. RAM, hard disk, motherboard, SMPS. Okay, now buses. Numbers, Control A. Next is speaker. Numbers, Control A. The last is monitor, Control A. But still the items are remaining. Keyboard, numbers, Control A. Mouse, numbers, Control A. And last is cabinet. numbers, control A. Fine. Now, we'll provide the job work out for the computer system. And for the computer system, we definitely need the raw material to purchase. But first of all, we need to mention the components, bill of material. So computer system numbers. And then here bill of material set component list should be yes. Now process name is assembly. Process name is assembly. Please try to understand the things, huh? Okay. Now the process name is assembly. To generate the one computer system, we need aluminum supplies. No, we need hard disk. Okay, in which go down I should store raw material. And then it is a component. It is not a byproduct, co-product. It is a component. And the quantity is 1. Then second is keyboard, raw material, component 1. Enter. Then after keyboard, monitor, component, raw material, component 1. Then motherboard, raw material, component 1. Then mouse, raw material, component 1. Then RAM, raw material, component 1. Then RAM, no? SMPS, raw material, component 1. Then last is speaker, raw material, component 2. But buses is also there. Now, I got a one idea also. I should generate some scrap also. Okay. So buses, it used to, the unit should be meters. The unit should be meters. So Alt C, MTR meters. Control A and Control A. Right. So buses, it is stored in the raw material and it is again a component, but it needs 5 meters. 5 meters. Out of 5 meters, it generates some scrap also. Okay, so again, wires. And raw material. And here you should select the scrap. Scrap 1. 1 meter wire will be as a scrap. It will generate the 1 meter wire, or like you are providing 5 meter, then it will return me the 1 meter as a scrap. Enter, enter. Then if you want to enable the cost, then you can enable the cost tracking also. Then Control A. Is it clear? See, job work out and job work. Hamshika, okay. I'm showing you the raw materials, okay. Fine. So I'm showing you the raw material and the finished goods complete. Alter, stock items. These are my raw materials. Or you can find out through this also. Vouchers, or tab 7. Manufacturing general computer. See, these are the raw materials I need. Hard disk, keyboard, monitor, motherboard, mouse, and it will generate the scrap also. So scrap will be here, wires as a raw material. Raw material is a go down, okay. Dhruvi, just check. You want now? Raw material? No, I got the question from Hamshika. Show the raw material. These are the raw material. Fine. Now, I'm not passing the manufacturing general. After like creating the items for the raw material and after creating the computer system for the as a finished goods. First of all, I should purchase these raw materials because I need to deliver it for the job work. So first I'm going to purchase it. Just press F9. Invoice number is invoice 001. I'm not changing the date, huh? Change mode. It should be item invoice. Alt C. It is systematics computers. This is my sundry creditor. 15 days credit period. Control A. Then Control A. Control A. And then purchase ledger should be there. Purchase account under purchase. Control A. Now I purchased. First is buses. Okay, go down raw material. I should store in a raw material, go down. And I purchase because I need a 5-meter wire to generate a one computer system. 5-meter buses to generate a one computer system. And I purchased 200. Okay, 200 meters and the meter rate is 150. Then enter. Now cabinet. Sure, I forget to. Okay, I'll again check that raw material and then I purchase 100 cabinets instead of that 25 cabinets. 1250. Then hard disk. Raw material and quantities are again 25 and 3250. Then motherboard. Go down is raw material 25 1500. Enter. Then after motherboard SMPS. Raw material and 25 and it is 750 rupees. Then mouse. Raw material 50 and rate is 120. Keyboard. Raw material 50 250 rupees. Okay, I should check all the items. Buses, cabinet, hard disk, motherboard, SMPs. Still RAM is remaining. I should purchase the RAM. How many items are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now last is 8. RAM. Raw material and 25. Then rate is 3500. I completed purchase. I completed the purchase and I assigned the one invoice number. Now, first of all, you should check while creating the stock item, finished goods, computer system, just check the item 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. RAM is there. I think so. Cabinet is not there, right? Yes. So one should be cabinet. Okay. This is also there. Wires and then cabinet. Because we need cabinet also, na? Raw material. It is a component. Control A, Control A, Control A. And then again, just alter the voucher of the purchase because in this voucher, we haven't purchased the cabinet. Go down is raw material and then quantity is 25. No, we purchased it. That's why it is giving me the. Here is a purchase. Okay. Is it clear? Please tell me. Is it clear? Manish. Thank you, Manish. Scrap. Okay. Okay, okay, I will repeat it. Bill wise dialog box is if it is not enabled, then just check the debtor or creditor on which it is not showing you. So at the time of ledger creation, there is a one option that is bill wise allocation. Okay, fine. Now, as till now, I passed the first I created the raw material items. Then I created a one finished goods, that is a computer system, and on that I also specify the bill of material. Okay, and I purchased now every item. And now I want to provide the job work order to Rohit and Company. Okay, so I should create a one company, that is Rohit and Company. Rohit and Company. They are the job worker, or you can say they are doing the job for on behalf of you, Rohit and Company. They are in assembling business. So in that case, they are your creditors. Okay, because you are purchasing the services from the Rohit and Company. So in that case, Rohit and Company is your creditor. 15. Control A. Now you should pass the, before that, what should you do? Just alter the voucher types. That is material, job work out order. Okay. So not job work out order, that is material out. And I already said the use for job work and use for job work in. Okay. And then material in here, use for job work, allow consumption. Allow consumption. Oh, we already, so no issue. We already passed the voucher, so that's why it is not giving the permission. It is not giving me the permission to alter. No issue. Now I should first, you should check in the stock summary. You are having the like cabinets, computer system you don't have, but hard disk, keyboard, macro switch, everything, right? And in that case, you should alter your, you should check your go down. That is raw material go down. The raw material are stock with a third party or third party stock with us. So in that case, are stock with third party. Are stock with third party. So here I cannot alter because it is already in use now. I should create another go down. Okay, no issue. Because see, I passed the one voucher, so that's why it is not giving me the permission for the alter. Now first you should provide the job work order out. So for that, you have to create the job work out order. And then party name is Rohit and Company. Right? Control A. Control A. And then order number is job work out -001. Now name of item is what should? Computer system. And then track component. Then go down will be finished goods. When they provide you, then you will store in the finished goods. And how many quantity? 20. Okay, 20 quantity. This is now material is pending to issue. Material is pending to issue. Now please tell me, in this example, should I pass the manufacturing general? In this example, should I pass the manufacturing general? Please tell me. Should I pass the manufacturing general? Okay, think about it. Now, to generate the finished goods, they will charge 1,000 rupees from us. 20,000 rupees I should provide. And cost tracking should be, yes. Control A, enter, 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 enter. I already provide the job order. Now you can check from here, display more reports. Then there is option of job work report. Job work out order book. See, there is a one order pending. Job work out order, there is a one pending. In material out register. Material out register. Only electronic cooker is you dispatched. But still material out is pending for job work. So material, you have to pass the material out voucher. F10 material out. And the moment you select the Rohit and company, because you provide the job work out order. So the moment you select the Rohit and company, you will get the here is no order number. So first I should check again. Material out. Book. Job work out order, right? Rohit and company. Dispatch through transport destination, then courier name, number. If you don't want, then you don't. There is no need to enter these kind of details. Duration of process is 1 day. Manufacturing. Then when order is there, right? Pending to issue. Then in that case, first I have to pass the material out voucher. Cost. It is not showing me the monitor cost. Why? First of all, I should check the purchase because maybe the monitor is not with us. Just take computers. Monitor. Yes, monitor is pending. Go down, raw material 256750. Should check the material out. Voucher type, then material out. See, this is very lengthy process, you know, for like in the case of job work, the process is lengthy. Everything is properly set. Next is additional okay, use for job work. Use for job work in. It should not be yes. Okay, now I should create another voucher because see material out is also used for the job material in. So I should create one voucher type. Material out new. Material in out. For job work. Yes. Now this should not be yes, used for job work in. Now this time this is used for job work out. Control A. Now just pass the vouchers material out new. See, now the order is coming. Okay, because we already used when we pass the job work in order. So that's why it was not given. The order was not given. Control A. Control A. And then destination go down is finished goods. In this example, manufacturing general should not be passed because we are not in manufacturing. We are in computer system business, but we are getting the computer system from outsourcing. And now it is not giving me the monitor charge. Okay, so first you should check alter Stock item, computer system. Here you should check the BOM. Monitor is there. Yes, monitor is there. Control A, Control A, Control A. Now it is not in the day book. Purchase monitor. Monitors is there. Then Control A. Oh, so I should take the job work out order, right? Because in job work out order, at the time we didn't purchase the, so that's why it is not taking the amount. It is 6250. 6250. Now Control A, Control A. Now the next voucher is material out for the dispatch the raw material. So dispatching the raw material, material out new. The moment you select Rohit and Company, the order is there. Control A, Control A. See, now the like go down should be finished goods. Now all the, see, we are dispatching all the items to for making the computer system. Speaker also. The speaker cost should be there, no? I can mention here also. Which means we haven't purchased the speaker. So first we should purchase the speaker. Purchase. There is no speaker. Speaker. Sometimes, if you forget to purchase, then it automatically gives you the details. Speaker, 50 speakers, and the rate is 1200. Control A, Control A, and then job work order. You should here. Speaker is 1200. See, pending to issue, then 1200. That's it. Okay, I made the correction. Rest is okay. Buyers, 500 rupees per meter. Pending to receive. Yes, this is my scrap. Then material out last. Now this time I am sure that everything is correct. Material out. Then within company, order number is there, Control A, Control A. Then finished goods. See, everything is there. Computer system component issue order. Okay, fine. 4,04,400, right? Then enter, enter. Now you should receive the computer system from Rohit company. So just press again, pass the material in. Material in. So F10, then material in. The moment you select Rohit and Company, then again it is not giving you the order. Why? Because in the material in also, hello? Hello? Okay. See, in the material in, you have to again create a new material in voucher because you also set for the job order in. So for this purpose, you have to create a new voucher type, material in, new. Should be under material in, then automatic, everything, just used for job work, that is yes. Use for job work in, no. Right? Use for job work, but use for job work in, you should not set it yes. Then allow consumption, yes. Control A. Then you can find here the voucher. See, the order is coming. Control A, and finish this. What is the order? Computer system, 1,000 rupees. You already provide the 1,000 rupees for to generate the computer system, but they are also providing you the scrap. In scrap, the rate consider as a scrap. In the rate should not be there. Enter. Enter. Allow consumption details. Yes. Right. See, 20 computer system is generated. So rest, you can check your stock summary. Because in the stock summary, all the items according to the, because you generated the computer system, the 20. Right. Now, next is you have to pass the, you have to pay the assembly charges. So for that, you have to pass the purchase. And here change mode. That is accounting invoice. Again, invoice number 002. Rohit and Company. Enter. Control A. Then assembly charges. This is our indirect expenses. Control A. Then suppose you want, here is a F12 option. You should set the show more configuration, enter. There is an option of bill wise detail, right? To provide the order detail, import details, bill wise details. Because already you charges are there, na? That is 20,000 rupees. Enter. Here should be bill wise detail should be yes. Enter. Then is it clear? See, the process is too long. Yesterday we were like stuck in somewhere. The process is too long, but you have to listen carefully the recording and go through the complete details. Whatever I follow the step, go through that steps. See, scrap rate should not be there because they provide us the scrap. Na, it depends upon us. What like how much we will charge for that scrap. So scrap will. Okay. Now see, we are having the scrap in our godown. Okay, we are having the scrap in our godown. Now we can sell out the scrap now. It depends upon the, because see, it is completely our income. It is completely our income. Fine. Now we are having the computer system. Is it clear? Try to catch the things. I passed the so many vouchers, material in, material out new. Because of the material out, we already passed for the material job work order in. So we have to create the new material out vouchers. Anything else? Anybody? There is not finished goods. No, I should check. See, everything is there. Only the thing is red. No, so I should correct it. Material in. It is wire. Consider as a step. Just a minute. I need to check it out because of the why it is like giving me the loss. It should not be loss. Consider as a primary item. Assembly. Consider as a step. It should know component of computer system. Finished goods. Here the rate should be 65,000. See, you have to calculate, na, like you provided the 8 items totally to manufacturing the computer system. So the cost you should like calculate. So I like entered as a random 65,000. Right? Everything is in a P&L. Mohammed said purchase voucher. See, material out means we send the job order. For that job order, we have to send the material out. Tirumali? Material ins means we have receipt for doing the job order. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, it is correct. Tirumurthy, material in means we have receipt for doing the job order. Right, that is correct. And material out means we already provide the job order for someone else. So for that we have to material out. We have to pass the material out. Just check Mohammed Saif go down. Maybe the go down is mismatched. So that's why it is not showing in your P&L. Material in new. Just a minute, Tejeswar. Alter. Voucher type. Material in new. See, Here is used for job work. It should be yes. But used for job work in? No. Because we are not doing the job work now. So it should no. Second option should be no. Yes, this topic is a very critical topic. You have to follow the steps. Whatever the step I follow now. Yesterday the reason was because I was doing fast now because of the time. Because I like also clear the so many features to yesterday. Uh, Ma'am, if we are in excuse me, manufacturer process and we are only got the order to manufacturing the final product. No raw material should be provided by the data. See, if we are in manufacturer and we only got the order to manufacture, right? We only got the order to manufacture. So raw material we need from somebody no, who are giving me the order. And otherwise we have to purchase the raw materials. So in that case, there should not be material in voucher passed, which already I gave you the clarification. You should pass the only manufacturing general, no material in voucher. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Okay, I'm waiting. Huh? I'm giving you the clarification. See, I'm showing you the day book, complete day book. You should check my day book. Okay, is it visible now? Because all of a sudden tally closed. Now check the vouchers and voucher type and then everything. Anybody? Yeah, I'm giving you the time, Satyadev. You should take your time, huh? I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting. You should take the time. 5 minutes. I'm giving you the 10 minutes. Please do it fast. Completed, Satyadev? Voucher transaction. Okay, fine. See, if you are in job work business, okay. So two kinds of job works are there. First is if you are in a manufacturing industry, but your manufacturing process done by others. Okay, raw material is yours, but your manufacturing process is done by others. So in that case, you have to pass first a job work out order. Which one? Job work out order. Is it clear, Mohammed Saif? Please try to understand. Okay. Again, let me clear. If we are in manufacturing business, for in our example, if we are in manufacturing electronic cooker business, but you manufacture the cooker and your job is done by others. Your job is done by others. So in that case, you have to pass job work out order. Is it clear? Job work out order. But if the system is raw material is provided by you, then you have to pass the material out against that job work out order. Is it clear? Against that job work out order, you have to pass one material out voucher. Is it clear? After like manufacturing, definitely your job worker will provide you the finished goods. So in that case, you have to pass against that material out, or but the job work out order, you have to pass material in. Okay. And for that, you have to pay something, service charges. For example, you have to pay the service charges. And you have to pass the one purchase entry. That's it. Because in the case of purchase of services, this is your purchase of services, na? And in that case, your job worker will be your sundry creditor. Mohammed Saif, is it clear? Because you want in sequence, na? And so many, I'm sure so many students wants it is in sequence. Is it clear? Right? Now just opposite. Take the opposite example. The opposite example is someone are in manufacturing business and they used to provide you the job work for the manufacturing. Is it clear? Someone are in manufacturing business. They used to, and you are the job worker for them. You are the job worker for them. They used to provide the job work to you. Then in that case, you have to pass the job work order in. Okay. And then when you got the job work order in, afterward, they will provide the raw material. Then again, you have to pass the material in voucher. But before passing the material in and material out voucher, you have to alter the material in and material out voucher. Use for job work. Yesterday, this mistake was done. That's why at the time we were not getting the order number. But when you set it yes, use for job work, then you will get the order number also. So against that order number, you can pass the material in or material out. Is it clear? Now, after like material in, after receiving the raw material from someone who also given you the job work order, then you have to pass the manufacturing entry because you are in manufacturing. You are the job worker for manufacture. You are not in manufacturing business. You are the job worker for manufacturing. Then you have to pass the manufacturing entry by creating the manufacturing journal. We are doing it from last 2 days. Manufacturing journal is what and what is the job work order? What is like, how can we receive and send the orders? And afterward, you have to pass the material out. Afterward, because after like after manufacturing the finished goods, you have to pass material out to your manufacturer. Okay, to your principal manufacturer. You can say the principal manufacturer. And for that, they will provide you some service charges. Then you have to pass some sales entry, one sales entry against that reference. Is it clear? This is the sequence. Okay, Mohammed. Thank you. Thank you so much. Anything else? Otherwise, I'm going to complete this topic and then rest I'm going to give you the more understanding on the features. From tomorrow, most probably I'm going to start the taxation feature. Taxation and then security feature is remaining. So please like regularly attend the class if you want to learn the completely the tally from my side. Okay. Anything else? No. So that's mean job work in, job work out order complete. Fine. Do it. Huh? I already provide you the one question. Okay. Now I'm going to give you the clarification of how can we use multi-currency. How can we use the multi-currency? Presently, till date, we used one currency also. Only one currency, that is INR. But this time I'm going to use two currency. One is INR and second is dollar. Okay, so how can we create the how can we use the feature of multi-currency, and how can we create the current second currency? And then in that case, you have to provide the rate of exchange. Is it clear? Is it clear? You can keep anything name of the company. It's not necessary. Material out feature. Okay. Alter voucher type, material out new. See, these are the features of material out. Here you should check why I created the new material out, because of this use for job work in. This time I am not going to use it for job work in. It is for job work out. Because see, material out is a material in and a material out is a voucher which is used for both job work in and job work out. Because see, when we are in the like, if I'm the job worker, so in that case I'll get the material in, right? And I'll also, after like manufacturing, I also pass the material out, right? And just take the opposite. If I am in manufacturing business and my job worker is different, so I should pass the material out to that job worker. And after manufacturing, that job worker will provide me the finished goods. So I have to pass material in. So that's why I created the material out new and material in new. Because of this feature used for job work in. Is it? Because see, I gave you both the examples in the same company, but it is not like in because see, if I'm the job worker, then I have to pass only the job work order in. So in that case, material in and material out both will be used. But in this company, I used both things: job work order in and job work order out. So that's why I created the two material out new and two material in new. Is it clear? Fine. Thank you, Priyanshi, for replying the fast. Now I'm going to create one new company for multi-currency. Yesterday, I also gave you the example of price level. Today, I'm going to give you the example of multi-currency. So it should be in a new company. And create, first of all, shut company. Because I told you, if you are not shutting the another company, then Tally will automatically assign the features of newly created company. So you should shut the company and thus create a company. Create multi-currency example. Madhya Pradesh control. And no need to set the features, only you need to disable the GST. From tomorrow onwards, we are moving to the taxation control. Now first, I'm going to create 2 or 3 ledgers. Like first ledger is purchase account under purchase. I'm sure in the ledger creation, there is no confusion for all. So many students are attending my class, but I'm sure for everybody, ledgers creation is not a big problem. Simple tally, I'm sure everybody understood the tally. But today's topic is the typical topic. Today's topic was difficult. So after like practicing, you will be more comfortable. But do the practice. Local creditors. This is my sundry creditor. 15 days credit period, control A. Now, JB Donaldson account. I created purchase local creditor to whom I purchased the goods, and this is JB Donaldson. This is for it's a sundry. It becomes under sundry creditor, but it is not from our country. So we should change the country. Change the country. It is from United States. It is from United States, from Michigan. Control A. Is it clear? Now sales account. Sales account. Under sales. Control A. 4 ledgers I created. I should show the ledgers. And those students who are doing simultaneously with me, just create these ledgers. Make sure JB Donaldson under sundry creditors, and it is from United States, America. Just create these ledgers. Just create these ledgers because we are going to learn the multi-currency. Priyanshi, come on fast. Thank you. Thank you so much. Just create these ledgers for multi-currency. We are moving to the multi-currency. Just create. I'm waiting for 5 minutes. Completed. After completion, just message me. Huh? Completed. Just answer me, Priyanshi. Mohammad Saif. Done. Okay. JB Donansal is a sundry debtor. Dhruvi, JB Donansal is a sundry debtor. See, and the country is United States of America and state is Michigan. Completed, Dhruvi? Okay, okay, I'm waiting. 2 minutes more. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm here. Rest students, if you are having some problem, then just raise the query. Because see, we are also on like almost to the complete the 70%, 60 to 70% tally. And still, if you are having some problem, then please message me. Do it fast. Okay, fine. So we are going to start. See, like first we have to purchase some products. Like suppose we are in computer system business. Okay, so create stock item, computer, HP desktop, HP computer system. I am taking computer system and Alt C. The unit is number. Number, NOS, numbers. Control A. Control A. First of all, I should purchase the computer system. Vouchers F9 for purchase. Invoice number is 001. Party name is local creditor. Control A. Control A. And then purchase account. I purchase the computer systems. How much? 50. And for 45,000. Okay. Now, I am having the 50 computers. But I got the order from USA, right? And they will pay me in dollars. Okay. So first of all, I should create a one currency. Create currency. Currency, create new. Is it clear? First, I pass the purchase voucher. Okay. And then create new currency. The currency is dollar. Symbol is dollar. Then dollar and then formal name is dollar. ISO currency code, that is USD. USD. ISO current International Standard Organization. Currency code is USD. Decimal place is 2. Then show amount in millions. If you wish, then yes. Suffix symbol to amount. Suffix means $1,000. If you want, then yes. Space, yes. Word representing amount after decimal. Cent. Dollar and cent. I'm sure you must heard the cent. Cent is just like our paisa. And then decimal place 2. Control A. Is it clear? Then rate of exchange. Now rate of exchange. Standard rate is 84 and selling rate is 84. Okay, but buying rate is 86. Right? Selling rate is 84. Standard rate is 84. Buying rate is 86. This is the rate which I should enter, rate of exchange, so that it will gives me the conversion. It is clear? It will provide me the conversion. Is it clear? Now next. Suppose I got the order from JB Donaldson. So first I have to pass the sales order. Sales order. Show inactive and sales order. I got the sales order from JB Donaldson for, and the order number is US-001. Sales for computer system. Quantity 20 and the rate is $1,000. Don't forget to press dollar. $1,000. Now the total amount is $20,000 and presently the selling rate is 84 rupees. Please remember, presently the selling rate is 84 rupees. So that's why it is giving me the conversion 16,18,000. 16,80,000. Control A, enter, enter, enter. Now here you should enter. Is it clear? Dollar creation once again. Okay. Go little slow. Okay, Aditya, no issue. First is create alter currency. Just create a dollar. Okay, I'm going to create once again. Huh? Create currency dollar. Little so. Okay, fine. Thank you. Sorry. So I should go slow. No issue. Because of the time, I'm like taking it so fast. But no issue. Dollar. Just create a symbol. Just press a symbol dollar. Dollar is already exist now. So okay. $2. Enter. And the formal name is dollar. And ISO currency code is USD. Number of decimal place 2. Show amount in millions. Yes. What is millions? 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Right. Then suffix symbol to amount. Yes. Space. Yes. Then word representing amount after decimal, like in our Indian rupees. If it is 100.20, that's mean 100 rupees 20 paisa. So, but here it is in cent. $1 5 cent. And then decimal place is 2. Is it clear? Aditya, try to understand, beta. Is it clear? Right. After creating the dollar currency, you have to provide the rate of exchange. Like this. Dollar standard rate is 84 rupees. Selling rate is 84. Buying rate is 86. Right. And then I passed one purchase voucher. Day book purchase. Pass the purchase voucher fast. Come on, fast, pass the purchase voucher. And then I'll give you the, I'll show you the sales order. Please complete it fast. Okay, now I'm sure everybody completed the purchase voucher. Okay, now check the sales order. No, tally will not change automatically. We have to change the standard buying and selling rate. Huh? No, purchase order is not passed. Sales order should be passed now. We purchased the items. Now there should be the sales order na, to the see we got the sales order from JB Donaldson. We got the sales order from JB Donaldson. Okay, just change Priyanshi, not purchase order. It should be sales order. Is it clear? Okay. Now the next is we have to dispatch the items to the JB Donaldson according to the orders. So sales JB Donaldson. Then order number is there. See US 001. Control A. Control A. And $20,000. For $20,000, we made the sales. But at that time, we enter the rate of exchange 84 rupees. But this time, rate of exchange is increased. This time, rate of exchange is increased by 3 rupees. Now it is 87 rupees. Now 20, see, order was for, see, now it is enter. Now it is 87 rupees per dollar. 87 rupees per dollar. Previously it was 84 rupees, but now it is increased 87 rupees per dollar. So that's mean like when I convert my $20,000, then I will get how much rupees? 20,000 into 87, but my order was 16,80,000. So the profit is there now. I got the profit now through the exchange rate because this time exchange rate is increased. Is it clear? Sales order. Okay. Okay, fine. Just a minute. Huh? I should open the sales order first. Daybook, sales order. 1,000 rupees. See, 20 numbers. I got the order for 20 numbers computers at the rate of $1,000. And I already entered the rate of exchange 84 rupees. So by default, it is extracting the rate of exchange 84 rupees. Is it clear? Tejeshwar, just enter this sales order. If you are not like, then there is an option of show inactive. You can check sales order here from here. Control F8. Is it clear? Just tell me. Should I move ahead? 17,40,000. How it is? Calculation is wrong. Okay. Now see, after like passing the sales order, at that time the rate was 84 rupees. So that's been total is 16,80,000. But when the sales happen, suppose you can check, you can say the sales happens on 1st May. Then sales F8. The moment you select JB Donaldson, you are having the order from JB Donaldson. Now, at that time, the price is 1,000 rupees, $1,000. But now the dollar rate is increased. Now the dollar rate is increased and the dollar rate is 87 rupees. So press insert key and instead of 4, just select 7. Now 87 rupees. Now previously it was 16,80,000 rupees. Now we are receiving 17,40,000 rupees INR. Dollar is same because see at that time they provide the order and then we mention the price for per computer system $1,000. But now dollar is same, $1,000 price is same, but the because of the currency conversion, we are getting 60,000 rupees profit. So presently we can check, is it the 60,000 rupees is reflect in P&L as per like Abhi is saying, it will reflect in P&L. So can I check? Okay, F12 and this is format of, it should not be vertical. See, is it the 60,000 profit is reflecting here? 60,000 profit will not reflect here. Will not reflect here. It will be reflect in your balance sheet. See, unadjusted forex gain and loss. Unadjusted foreign gain and loss. We have to adjust now so that it will reflect in P&L. Is it clear? Unadjusted foreign gain and forex gain and loss. Now we want to adjust that foreign gain and loss. Now 60,000 is our profit. So first you have to create ledger forex exchange profit account under indirect income. This is our income. Control A. Then you have to pass one entry. Voucher JV. For adjustment entries, JV should be there. Change mode. There is an option of use forex gain and loss adjustment. JB Donaldson. Now, JB Donaldson should be debited, right? And forex okay, no? Then against this reference. Enter, enter. Now you can check in the P&L, the profit will be reflected. Indirect income. Is it clear? This is very important, you know, multi-currency. Now in the balance sheet, adjustment is already also gone. Why? Because we adjust it. We rectify the error. Display more reports, account books. Then ledger, JB Donaldson ledger. See. Now we will receive the amount from JB Donaldson 16,080. 16 lakh 18,000. Still, we haven't received the amount. Instead of that, you can do like another. I'm going to give you the example. Daybook. I should delete this. Okay. Now I'm having the order from the JB Donaldson. Now I sold the items to the JB Donaldson, but at that time the rate was same. JB Donaldson. The rate was same at the time. 84 rupees, right? At that time, the rate was same. So no forex exchange gain and loss is there. You can check in the balance sheet. No forex gain and loss is there. Is it clear? Okay, Duvi, I'm waiting. I can show you the vouchers. 2 vouchers. I passed recently the sale on 1st May. Sales order is also passed, na? You messaged me, na? You also passed the sales order. Clear? Should I move it? Now, the rate was same at the time of sale, but the moment I received the dollars, I received the dollars on 31st May. I received the payment from JB Donaldson, F6, JB Donaldson, against reference. At the time, the rate was 84,000, 84 rupees. But now the rate is changed. This time the rate is changed. Now the rate is changed. By cash. Okay. Now again, you can check in the balance sheet. Unadjusted forex gain and loss. 60,000 rupees. You have to again adjust. Vouchers. Then JV. You should pass the JV. Change mode. Use for forex exchange. JB Donaldson. Exchange profit in JB Donaldson. 60,000 rupees. Now you can check. because JV is also passed, I am sure. So that's why it is not taking the. JV. Now F7. JV donation against reference 60,000. There should be list and then forex exchange profit. Then you can check in the P&L, the profit is there. Then in the balance sheet, no forex exchange loss and profit is there. Is it clear? This is very important while maintaining the multi-currency. How did you pass the general voucher for forex exchange income? Simple. It's a very simple. See, you have to pass the JV. If you wish, then you can pass the JV through change mode for use for forex exchange loss in. Then account. This account should be credited and then JB donation. And enter, while entering, you will get the against reference also. So you can pass this kind of thing or you can pass directly. If you wish, then I can give you the another classification. Pass the JV. How you pass the JV? F7. Change mode. Change mode. Use for forex exchange. Profit. Then from through JB donation. 60,000 rupees. Enter it. Automatically it is showing you now. Because see, it is showing in the balance sheet also now. Forex exchange gain and loss. Now see, JB Donaldson balance is nil. You can check, display more reports, account books, ledger, JB Donaldson. Then it is nil. He provides you the amount in dollars. And you pass the entry in by entering the rate of exchange. But if the rate of exchange is changed, then forex exchange and loss will be there. In the opposite case, the loss may be there. For example, when we purchased the computer system from United States, at that time the rate was 84 rupees. But while making the payment, the rate is 87 rupees. So in that case, loss will be there. In that case, loss will be there. Is it? Tejeshwar, what's the problem? Just like clarify. What is the problem? Okay, I'm going to give you the another example. I have the 10 minutes, so I'm going to give you the another example. Okay. Now, I'm going to create a one, again, more ledger. The ledger is, suppose, Ronald and company. It is my sundry debtor. Okay, 15 days credit. And it is again from change country. I should change the country. United States and India. Sorry, Alabama. State is Alabama. Pin code is this. Control A. Now again, I'm not passing the order directly. I'm selling the items to the Ronald. F8. Suppose Ronald and company I sold the computers to Ronald and Company. Order number is not there, 10 quantity. And this time I sold it on $1,200. Enter. Now the rate is presently the 87 rupees. So 10,44,000 rupees I have to make the payment. Sorry, I have to receive the payment from Ronald and Company. This time it is 87 rupees. 87 rupees. While selling, the rate was 87 rupees. But while receiving the payment, all of a sudden the dollar price is 85 rupees. So while receiving from Ronald and Company against reference $12,000. Now the rate is 85 rupees. 85 rupees. Fine. So that's been definitely the loss is there now. At the time of selling, the amount due was 10,44,000. Now I receive only the 10,20,000. So 24,000 is lost now. You can check by Ronald and Company. Should be. Okay. Now I'll receive because of the rate is 85 rupees. So just divide 10,20,000 divided by 85. 10,20,000 divided by 85. Now I'm receiving only the, no, it is $12,000. Okay. It should be debit. Enter. No cash. Okay. Here should be cash. Okay. Now this time, if you check the balance sheet, then you can check the forex gain and loss, 24,000 rupees. Now this is my loss now. It should be reflected in P&L. So I should create a one loss account. Create ledger forex loss account. Forex loss account. Because of the dollar rate change, it's my loss. Control A. Then I can pass the JV F7. Then again change mode. Use for forex. And this time Ronald and Company. Then forex loss. Sorry. Loss account. Then Ronald and Company. 24,000 rupees is a loss. Okay. Now you can check in the P&L. I give you the clarification in the case of profit, in the case of loss also. You have to adjust the forex gain and loss. Ma'am, while adjusting the loss, the forex exchange account will be credited. No, if it is loss, then it should be credit, because see, if it is profit, then should be credit. Now, because income, don't forget about the nominal account rule. It is nominal account rule. Okay, I'm going to give you the first. I should delete this entry 24,000 loss. All D, है ना? And then just pass the JB. See, what is the nominal account rule? All the income and gains should be credited and all the loss and expenses should be debited. So you should debit the forex loss account 24,000. In that case, you have to enter the manually. If you are not taking from here, enter. Then to Ronald, enter. See, automatically it is there 24,000. But previously amount automatically taken by the tally itself because I used to change mode. Now you can see the same effect is there. Now please check. And then you can check the balance sheet. No forex exchange loss and gain is there because it should reflect in the P&L. Now tell me, any doubt? Any doubt? Tejeshwar, please do it. Priyanshi, Dhruvi, how we will able to get our certificate? Oh, it is not my question. Don't ask. See, you should ask to the class coordinator. Na? I'm your faculty. Is it clear? Do the entry according to the rule. Don't forget about your 3 golden rules. Personal account, real account, nominal account. Is it clear? I'm waiting your reply. I'm waiting for your reply. Forex exchange and loss. It is very important. It is not showing the reference. Isha, what's the problem? Check the date, beta. Just check. I'm waiting for your reply. Okay. Thank you so much, Priyanshi. Thank you. Is it clear now? Is it clear? Anything else you want to like? Okay, I'm going to tell you about the printouts. Okay, in a tally, like while creating the job order, na, the printouts are very important. You know, select. Just I'm going to select the previous company. Daybook, job work order. Then Alt P, current. If you wish, then you can configure it. Right? Fine. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Ready? Come on,